What's up, everybody? I'm back, Scott from Cylent Cycles, showing you a brand new build by Mike Mesa at Mesa Customs with our new rear end kit. Sexy 7, baby. Look at this bad boy. Damn. 7 down, 14 back. First set done right here. Get an idea. Check out all those lines. Man, that's nice. Tank back kits. Beautiful bike. Lay frame. Just got it done. Literally just got it done. Man. So here it is. Sexy 7 kits. Bags come pre-drilled, pre-fit, body-worked, primed, bag liners. Do a few cool things. Show you down here. Here we got the LED lights. The radiance lights go all the way down. Inside we got little spacers. You can barely see them, so they keep it so they don't, the bags are always spaced accordingly. The other thing we're doing now, we're going to be probably doing this with everything, is it's really hard to see, but there's a little spacer and a little thumb screw that goes in between the bag into the side cover, and thumb screw goes right in. Beautiful. Keeps everything lined up nice and tight. Man. Yeah, that kit's sexy's for a reason. Sexy 7s for a reason. So here you go, folks. Cylentcycles.com. The bags, fender, side covers runs $27.50, and our tank and dash runs $5.50. Now this isn't our dash. This is actually from Hoffman's, and my boy Mike really wanted to keep the speedo and everything on there, so turned out really nice. Beautiful bike. Hit us up if you need anything. 602-722-1160. Peace.